So finally, top tips. Well, please do talk to us early. This is going to be the biggest system that you're going to be putting into your home. Get that heat loss calculation done so you know what sort of heating is going to be required, or if the heat pump ventilation is going to be suitable. Please design in that plant room. If I wasn't sitting down, I would be on my knees now for you to design in a plant room. Get that ventilation design done, which will show all where your ductwork's going to go. Be aware for your Gantt chart that you're going to allow up to 3 weeks for first fix and up to a week for second fix. The lower figures are more to do with heat recovery ventilation, and the higher figures are to do with heat pump ventilation, and allow anything between 1 and 3 days for commissioning. Do talk to your other trades early. Make sure the electrician is aware that they don't need to worry about extractor fans, etc., but they do need to allow for fuse spurs wherever the units are going to be placed, and controller cable. And if you're going to have those heated ceiling terminals, electricity needs to get to them too. Plumber, condensation is going to be produced by the unit, so he does need to put that condensate trap to the house plumbing system. Windows manufacturers, no need for those drafty, expensive trickle vents in your window frames, and your joiner needs to know to undercut doors by about 10 mil so you get a nice through flow of air.